How to post carousel on LinkedIn. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So the easiest way to post a carousel on a LinkedIn is using Canva. So simply launch your Canva application first and then make your post the way you want. But remember, while saving, you have to save it as a PDF and not a JPG or PNG file, because LinkedIn will not allow you to post an image. So you will have to post it as a PDF. After saving it as PDF, all you have to do is go to your LinkedIn app. Now simply tap on post and then tap on this plus icon, and after that select document. Simply go to choose a file and then use your document. Write something about your document and then tap on post. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.